Meaning of farthing.
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 Farthing. A farthing is a former British coin that was worth a quarter of a penny. It was in circulation from the 13th century until it was discontinued in 1960 due to inflation and the introduction of decimal currency. Farthings were made of various metals such as copper, bronze, and nickel, and featured different designs and monarchs throughout their history. Today, farthings are collector's items and can be found in coin collections and museums. They serve as reminders of Britain's rich numismatic history and the evolution of currency over time.